Ever wondered why peppers pack such a punch? Why do they ignite a fire in your mouth and make you sweat? It's a question as old as time, or at least as old as the first person brave enough to bite into a chili pepper. These fiery fruits have a knack for turning up the heat, and it's not by accident. There's a scientific explanation for the spiciness that peppers bring to the table. Today, we unravel the mystery of the spiciness of peppers. Peppers owe their spiciness to a chemical compound called capsaicin. Capsaicin, you ask? It's indeed the unsung hero behind the fiery kick we experience when biting into a chili pepper. This potent compound is produced by the pepper plants as a defense mechanism against predators. Now let's dive into how capsaicin works. When you take a bite of a pepper, capsaicin molecules rush to bind with pain receptors in your mouth and throat. These receptors, known as TRPV1, are designed to detect heat. When capsaicin binds to these receptors, it sends a signal to your brain that you're consuming something hot. Your brain, not knowing any better, interprets this as a burning sensation. Here's the kicker. Capsaicin doesn't actually cause any physical harm. There's no fire, there's no burn. It's all a sensory trick, a spicy illusion, if you will. So, capsaicin tricks your body into thinking it's in hot water, but it's all just a spicy illusion. Now let's turn up the heat and talk about super hot peppers. Ever wondered why some peppers make you reach for a glass of water while others leave you gasping for air? It all comes down to a little compound called capsaicin. This fiery molecule is what gives peppers their heat. Different peppers have varying levels of capsaicin. A bell pepper, for instance, has virtually none, while the infamous Carolina Reaper is absolutely loaded with it. The amount of capsaicin in a pepper dictates its heat level or spiciness. This is measured using the Scoville scale, named after its creator, Wilbur Scoville. To give you an idea, bell peppers rank 0 on the Scoville scale, jalapenos anywhere from 2,500 to 8,000, and then we have the real fire breathers. The ghost pepper, one of the world's hottest, measures at over 1 million Scoville units, and the Carolina Reaper tops the scale at a staggering 2.2 million. Capsaicin essentially tricks your body into thinking it's in contact with something hot, like a flame. It binds to the sensory receptors in your mouth and throat, triggering that burning sensation we all know too well. So the next time you find yourself reaching for a glass of milk to soothe your flaming tongue, remember it's just your body falling for the fiery trick of capsaicin.